Today, let's explore a daily ritual rooted deep in the spiritual heart of Igbo culture, morning sweeping. A practice so ordinary, yet profoundly sacred. Every new day, before the kola nut is broken in communion with Chukwu and the ancestors, a sacred act must first take place: the sweeping of the house and the compound. In Igbo culture, the dawn is not met with haste. First, the body must be refreshed, the face, hands, and feet washed clean, the mouth rinsed, clearing the gate for words yet unspoken. Yet the true beginning of the day awaits an ordinary but a sacred act: sweeping. With each sweep, the compound is not merely cleaned of dirt, but unseen negative energies that might have crept in under the night cover. By sweeping away the night's residues, the Igbo prepare the way for blessings to arrive. Only then can prayers be lifted to Chukwu, the divine immanence, and offerings made to the ancestors. This sacred act holds even deeper meaning in marriage. In many communities, a newly married woman must sweep her husband's compound on her first morning, to be joined by her co-wives at some point. A silent but powerful ritual of claiming her space, dispelling old energies, and inviting harmony and prosperity into her new home. Each sweep of the broom clears a space for light, for peace, and for fortune. A dirty ground holds onto misfortune. A clean earth invites prosperity. Thus, sweeping is not just about cleanliness. It is a daily, sacred ritual, an act of welcoming the new. It is a blessing in motion, a prayer made with action before words. So next time you see the morning sweep, know that it is more than a chore. It is a dance with the divine, a welcome to the blessings of a new dawn.